Top 5 foods with more calcium than milk. Build stronger bones naturally. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body, playing a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth, powering muscles, and supporting nerve and hormone function. As an essential mineral, calcium is vital for your health, but your body can't produce it on its own. This means you need to include sufficient calcium in your diet to thrive. While many people turn to milk as their primary source of calcium, there are a wealth of delicious and nutritious foods that offer even more calcium per serving. Discovering these alternatives not only enhances your calcium intake but also diversifies your diet, providing a host of other health benefits. Ready to elevate your nutrition and build stronger bones naturally? Let's explore the top 5 foods that deliver more calcium than milk. Why do we need calcium? Calcium plays several vital roles in our bodies. 1. Bone and teeth health. Over 99% of calcium is stored in our bones and teeth, providing them with strength and structure. 2. Nerve function. Calcium helps transmit signals between nerve cells, including those in the brain and spinal cord. 3. Blood clotting. It is essential for the blood clotting process, helping to stop bleeding when we get hurt. 4. Muscle movement. Calcium is necessary for muscle contractions, allowing us to move. 5. Potential cancer risk reduction. Some studies suggest that adequate calcium intake may help lower the risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer, although more research is needed. Top 5 calcium-rich foods. 1. Sesame seeds, a calcium powerhouse. Sesame seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to nutrition, particularly calcium content. Here's a closer look at why they're such an excellent source of this essential mineral, calcium content. 1. High calcium levels. Sesame seeds contain approximately 975 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. 1. This means that just a small serving can significantly contribute to your daily calcium needs. 2. Serving size. Typically, a 1 ounce, about 28 grams, serving of sesame seeds provides around 280 milligrams of calcium, which is roughly 2 to 3 times the calcium found in a glass of milk, about 120 milligrams. Health benefits. Bone health. The high calcium content in sesame seeds is vital for maintaining bone density and strength, making them an excellent addition to diets aimed at preventing osteoporosis. Rich in other nutrients. Besides calcium, sesame seeds are also packed with magnesium, phosphorus, and healthy fats, which support overall health. Antioxidants. They contain antioxidants like sesamoans and sesamin, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Ways to incorporate sesame seeds. 1. Sprinkle on salads. Add a handful of toasted sesame seeds to salads for a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. 2. In baking. Incorporate them into bread or muffins for added nutrition. 3. In sauces, use tahini, a paste made from ground sesame seeds, in dressings or dips like hummus. 4. As a snack, enjoy roasted sesame seeds on their own or as part of a trail mix. 2. Seaweed, wakame, a hidden calcium gem. Seaweed, particularly varieties like wakame, is often overlooked as a source of calcium, yet it offers impressive amounts of this essential mineral. Here's an overview of its calcium benefits and how it can enhance your diet. Calcium content. 1. High calcium levels. Wakame seaweed contains approximately 1,500 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, making it one of the richest plant sources of calcium available. 1. This is significantly more than the calcium found in milk. 2. Serving size. While typical servings of wakame are smaller, around 10-15 grams when dried, even a small portion can contribute around 150,250 milligrams of calcium to your diet, depending on how it's prepared. Health benefits. Bone health. The high calcium content in wakame supports bone density and strength, making it a valuable addition to diets focused on preventing osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. Rich in other nutrients. In addition to calcium, wakame is a source of magnesium, iodine, and vitamins A, C, E, and K, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. Antioxidant properties. Seaweed is rich in antioxidants that help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting better overall health. Ways to incorporate wakame. 1. Soups and stews. Add dried wakame to miso soup or other broths for a nutritious boost. 2. Salads. Rehydrate and toss wakame in salads for a savory flavor and chewy texture. 3. Smoothies. Blend a small amount of powdered wakame into smoothies for an added nutrient punch without altering the taste significantly. 4. Sushi and rolls. Use wakame as a filling in sushi or as a garnish for rice dishes. 3. Maringa. A nutrient-dense source of calcium. Maringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is renowned for its impressive nutritional profile, particularly its high calcium content. Here's a closer look at the benefits of Maringa and how it can contribute to your calcium intake. Calcium content. 1. High calcium levels. Maringa leaves provide approximately 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams when fresh, making it one of the richest plant sources of calcium available. 2. Serving size. A typical serving of Maringa leaves, around 1 cup cooked or 50 grams fresh, can deliver about 500 to 600 milligrams of calcium, significantly surpassing the calcium found in a glass of milk. Health benefits. Bone health. The substantial calcium content in Maringa supports the development and maintenance of strong bones, making it an excellent choice for those looking to prevent osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Rich in other nutrients. Maringa is also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. This nutrient density makes it an exceptional superfood. Anti-inflammatory properties. Maringa contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation in the body and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Ways to incorporate Maringa. 1. Smoothies. Add Maringa powder or fresh leaves to smoothies for a nutrient boost without a strong flavor impact. 2. Soups and stews. Incorporate Maringa leaves into soups or stews for added nutrition. 3. Salads. Use fresh Maringa leaves in salads, much like you would with spinach or other greens. 4. Teas. Brew Maringa powder in hot water for a healthy tea rich in calcium and antioxidants. 4. Winged beans, goa beans, nature's calcium boost. Winged beans, also known as goa beans or four-angled beans, Sophocarpus tetragonalobus, are a versatile and nutrient-rich legume native to Southeast Asia. They are particularly notable for their impressive calcium content and various health benefits. Calcium content. 1. High calcium levels. Winged beans are exceptionally rich in calcium, providing around 800 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. 1. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to increase their calcium intake. 2. Serving size. In a typical serving, about 1 cup cooked, approximately 100 grams, winged beans can deliver a substantial amount of calcium, making them a great alternative to dairy sources. Health benefits. Bone health. The high calcium content in winged beans is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, helping to prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Rich in protein. Winged beans are a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans. Vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamins A and C, iron, potassium, and dietary fiber, contributing to overall health and well-being. Antioxidant properties. Winged beans contain various antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Ways to incorporate winged beans. 1. Stir fries. Add winged beans to stir fries for a crunchy texture and nutritious boost. 2. Salads. Use them fresh or blanched in salads for a unique flavor and added nutrients. 3. Soups and stews. Incorporate winged beans into soups or stews for additional protein and calcium. 4. Curries. Cook them in curries with spices for a delicious and nutritious dish. 5. Amaranth leaves. A calcium-rich green superfood. Amaranth leaves, often referred to as amaranth greens, are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. These vibrant green leaves are widely used in various cuisines and are celebrated for their impressive calcium content. Calcium content. 1. High calcium levels. Fresh amaranth leaves contain approximately 215 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams when cooked. 1. When dried, their calcium concentration increases significantly, with dried leaves containing up to 800 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. 2. Serving size. In a typical serving of cooked amaranth leaves, around 1 cup or 180 grams, you can obtain about 387 milligrams of calcium, offering a substantial boost to your daily calcium intake. Health benefits. Bone health. The calcium found in amaranth leaves is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, helping to prevent osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. Rich in nutrients. Beyond calcium, amaranth leaves are also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, iron, and magnesium, contributing to overall health and wellness. Antioxidant properties. Amaranth leaves contain various antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Dietary fiber. They are high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight by promoting satiety. Ways to incorporate amaranth leaves. 1. Stir fry. Sauté fresh amaranth leaves with garlic, onions, and your favorite vegetables for a nutritious and flavorful side dish. 2. Salads. Use young, tender amaranth leaves in salads for a fresh and vibrant addition, mixing them with other greens. 3. Soups and stews. Incorporate amaranth leaves into soups and stews to enhance nutritional value and add flavor. 4. Smoothies. Blend fresh amaranth leaves into smoothies for a nutrient boost without overpowering the taste. The bottom line: why settle for just milk when you can boost your calcium intake with foods that offer 7 to 8 times more of this essential mineral? This guide has introduced you to a range of nutrient-rich foods, including sesame seeds, wakame seaweed, moringa, winged beans, and amaranth leaves, all of which are exceptional sources of calcium. Imagine the crunch of sesame seeds enhancing your salads, or the vibrant greens of amaranth adding color and nutrition to your meals. With up to 1,500 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, these foods not only surpass milk's calcium content but also deliver a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. By incorporating these calcium-dense options into your diet, you're taking a significant step towards stronger bones and improved well-being. So, explore these flavorful alternatives and transform your meals into nutrient-packed powerhouses. Your bones will thank you, and your culinary experience will be richer and more diverse than ever. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Wishing you good health, wealth and happiness.